Good afternoon, everybody. It's your boy King Legacy here, and you might be wondering why the video is all black, and that's because I'm deciding for my soul. This has been late for a very long time, but today I'm gonna do an office tour since it's not really a house of my office, obviously, for 70 subscribers. And what I want to say is thank you guys for 70 subscribers. I didn't even think. Basically, I thought it was impossible to get to 10, but once I got to 10 and the numbers kept going, I got more happy. Obviously, for videos I show, they're really short, and then my upload schedule is all over the place because I probably don't upload for months, and then weeks, and days. But hopefully that can change due to me getting some content. And what I'm about to show you guys is my office. Is where all the magic happens. Voila. You guys can see this is my office. It's normally looks like a living room, considering that it's a garage. And you guys can see here is my sister's dog, Minnie. Shows like his belly rubs, and you can see this is where I sleep and play at the same time. I do have my Chewbacca plushie here, since I've had since I was 13 years old, and I do have a Power Rangers blanket. He's following me around now. And these are the pillows that go with this couch, and you can see here I do have some moccasins right here and some black Converse. I've always been a fan of Converse, nothing really else. And you can see here I do have my school laptop that I do have some Breaking Bad stickers if you guys ever seen that show, and my bag here, which I do have some Overwatch backpack rings, which are pretty cool. And over here I do have my drawers where I can keep all my clothes, and that's pretty much it. And here are my babies. I have one Vault Boy plushie that I did pick up on clearance at GameStop. I do have all my weekend when I went to an anime expo. I do have a Fortnite llama which I named Bucky. I do have Dark Voyager. If I just move these out the way, I do have Kate Diaz, X-Men Deadpool. This was actually the first pop figure I've ever bought. Second one was this one, the Vault Boy. I did end up buying a Harley Quinn one, but that was for my sister. Also, I do have Maximus. I don't know who he is from the Marvel Universe. All I know is that he has my name, and so I dig it. I have two. One of these, I think one of them is my sister's, and the other one is mine. But I've only got it because I wanted to get it. I wanted more, and I still haven't seen the show. And I do have these where I have my Genji pop figure, Doomfist, and Diva. This took me a while to find, since considering they don't have it in stores. And I do have movie posters. I do have more than these. I do have my Goodfellas poster with Ray Liotta and Robert De Niro. Excuse me, which is a very good movie. This one I have not seen, which of course is one, I guess, Oscars and everything, but I still haven't seen it. As you can see over here, I do have my setup where I have some tape. I have my Xbox, my PlayStation, another remote right there connected, some deodorant, and I'll go there in a bit. Here you can see, these are my Astro A10s, which these are pretty good, especially with sound and mic design. I do a lot of ear rape when I'm playing with my friends, so it does ear rape automatically, which is pretty good. Just these folders right here, just full of schoolwork and everything. And this wire comes with it, which is detachable, which I do like, but I do need to grab a new one since my sister's dog been on it. I also have right here, you guys can see Soviet Union. I do not associate with any of the communists, but I grabbed it because I liked it. And here, my envelope full of tacks, because I needed some tacks, and I was able to grab some, so I put here. iPhone charger. I do have this, although I did pick one. When I wanted an Xbox One, I asked for one when I would turn 15. And when I turned 15, I grabbed, boom. No, actually, I got this when I turned 15, not when I turned, no, sorry. I grabbed this when I turned 14. Yeah, I've had this Xbox for at least 2 years now. It's Betty. It's 500 gigs, and it does very well. It doesn't have that much games I can play on, but it's been going well for a year. I did grab this when the Xbox S came out because I wanted it because it was white. I didn't want to grab a black version. And then when you might be wondering why I call it Betty. I don't know. I usually, anything I grab in the game or when I'm naming classes for video games, I always go with Betty for some reason. I normally name all my stuff. As you can see, I have my PS4. This is the original PS4, and I have this DualShock 4 and Gen 3 controller, which I do like because it's all exposed and everything. As you can see, it's on because I am downloading games, and I'm more of an Xbox person than a PS4, obviously, because this is taking over 2 hours to download, where I can download in 30 minutes. You guys see here, I do have some BBs and some deodorant because I need to stay razor because I shave, and some earbuds. And I do have this jar, which, oops. This jar is for me trying to save it for a PC. There's a ticket and $4. Yeah, I know. As you guys can see here, give me a moment. I do have an actual DualShock controller, which is pretty messed up, considering that my friend gave it to me, and it can't run, which sucks. I do have some boxes in the background where I just have some junk in there. And also, I have these games, which these are my favorite. I got Battlefield 5 for my birthday when I turned 16, which I've only got it because my friends were playing it, and I don't play it at all no more. I got Wolfenstein because I played number 2, which on the inside it has the original art over here, you guys can see, but I flipped it over because I did like the art on the back. Got this at Walmart for a game store for $10. Then I got Payday 2 because I reminisced about the old Payday, and I ended up getting the big score, which is, by the way, Soko, Sydney, and Jacket are my favorite characters to play as. I did make a video about during earlier in the year. I think Hoxton's breakout. Yeah, I ended up and also got Far Cry 5, which I gotta say this competes with Far Cry 3 and Far Cry. This one competes with Far Cry 3 because Far Cry 3 was a really good game. Hopefully I can play it for you guys. But if you guys want to see, and Far Cry 5 was really good because I'm always about any game that has to do with religion. You have to fight for it. Anything that can offend people, which is good. I do got Fallout 4, which it wasn't. My favorite Fallout game is always gonna be Fallout New Vegas. It's just that, and behind that's Fallout 3, and then I got Fallout 4 because obviously I was next in line to grab, and when I got it, it was alright. I did like the mods as it came with it, and all in all, good game. I didn't really go do any settlement missions because fuck Crescent Garvey. And I got Black Ops 3, which I got it very late in the year. But I think when World War II came out, that's when I got it. Which I don't know why, but I played it a lot. I was trying to go for Dark Matter, which I did not. Then another one is I have Watch Dogs 2, which didn't came in as original Xbox, so I made it myself. Here you can see X-Bax Uno. Yeah, this game was really fun. Better than the first one because the first one was just plain and brown. This one's more colorful and it was pretty fun. Exactly. I do have some clips of me playing there. I got Titanfall 2 because I went to the store and it was $8, and it's like, you know what? They said Titanfall 2 was a pretty good game, and I grabbed it. I didn't really play that much, and then now I have show you which ones are the best ones. You guys can see here I have Rainbow Six Siege, which, oh my god, I love this game. I am level 123. I don't really get diamond or bronze. I don't really play rank that much. I got this because my friend introduced me to it when I went to his house. When people used to go to people's houses to play, and it was during Velvet shows when I got into it. After that, I just been playing off the free weekends, and then I finally got it, which is really cool. And I do have a couple of elite skins, but not the new ones yet. Anyway, good. I can't wait for the next season, especially this one. This is my favorite game at the moment. It's Overwatch. You can tell I have a bunch of Overwatch things. This game was just really fun, especially when I play with my friends. And I did release my recent video. I did release some highlights that I did play the games, which, oh my god, this game is the best. I do play Soldier, McCready, Junkrat, and some Reinhardt and Roadhog, which
I normally only play around, but it's really good. And you guys can see I have Grand Theft Auto because I don't know, I just grabbed it because it was really fun to play, and I wanted to finish what I was doing. I might sell it back though. I don't know. I don't really feel comfortable. I'll probably keep the map that comes with it because I do like putting posters up. And the final one I got was Fallout 76. I know you guys saying this is the worst game out there, but it's actually pretty fun. It's something that we haven't had in a while. It's always been people's, desired, play online with your guys' friends, and now that we can, ooh man, I love it now. I love it. We do have some stuff. I do play with my friends often, and right now I'm trying to get the backpacks because that thing came out, and that's it. Alright, you want to put this all back. And that's gonna be pretty much it. That's gonna be my office tour. Obviously, there's more to this place, as you can see in the sides, but this is where I make the magic happen, and it's updating some games, so you can see. And so let me know if you guys want to see more. We're probably the only one to like move somewhere else, but excuse me. Any other games that I've shown you, if you guys want to see some gameplay of that, drop it down in the comments below, leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.